Hello, welcome to the stock market daily technical analysis for November the 18th. Oh, what a day we had. So over the next 12 minutes, we are going to show you which that works for us, which that didn't work, and we look forward to tomorrow, Thursday, which is known as payday here at Successful Trading. So without any further ado, let us enjoy some music and let's go start it.
Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. Where you will learn to trade options as a beginner.
All right. Well, welcome to Successful Trading, where we learn to trade options as a beginner. Yes, each and every day, literally, we have to take on the mindset of being a beginner trader in options. But, oh, my friends, so let's go in the order that's maybe it's better pleasing by giving the leaving the best for last. So let's take a look at which that didn't work. Not actually, for the first one, we didn't take a trade on it. So let's start with Neo. Neo had earnings, but for whatever reason, we never felt that it didn't gap, yeah. It didn't gap that much. So it wasn't a candidate for a gangster trade. We didn't. And so if you were with us in our pre-market, in our stock market technical analysis daily that we do in the morning, right, on our YouTube at 8:40 Eastern. So hey, if you are not yet a subscriber, that's your opportunity to subscribe, because we actually had people who went and who enjoyed that show. We're gonna talk about that. Who left us comments about taking free trade that we gave. I kid you not, true story. You can go to the comments on this morning show. Is there a way for me to show that? We will be seeing that. But in any case, Neo didn't move that much here. So what's going on here with Neo? We are not going to give up on Neo. It didn't move, so we didn't take a trade. So no result. But my friend, from this setup here, just bounce off of the support at the EMA 8. It will be interesting, yeah, over the next couple of days, especially now that the implied volatility has come down. Going into Friday, we may have a lotto, so be tuned for that. So we'll be tuned for that. So the other one that definitely didn't work for us, because we've been trading this. We made a video the other day, right? We've been trading this since last Friday. We took the trade. We got 200% on our first batch of calls, and we were really hopeful in this. It's not that it's bad, but it took a little bit of a small step back. Let's say, how do they call it? A pause or a breather or whatever. So let's see what's going on here. Hopefully it's a case of waiting for the upper Bollinger to go up. But the news came in today. There was an offering. I don't know. This stock's kind of stock. That's why I don't trade this type of small stock. Yeah, you don't hear of the big stock saying that they're gonna have a second offering or anything like that. So none of that on there. So we are still patient on here, so let's see what's how that's going to transpire. Next week we have 4 days of trading. One of it is a half day because of Thanksgiving, so be aware of that. So in setting up trades for next week. So the part that works. Oh boy, the parts that work. Which one do we start off with? Let's start with let's start with this one. Let's start with Tesla. Because actually that's the one give the least amount of gains. So the least amount of gain, the least amount of gain. How much did we make out of this one? 150%? Oh, no, actually we made more than that because we took the trade. So what was the setup here on Tesla? Tesla, we got into this trade when on the 17th, today was the 18th, the 16th was a Monday. So Tuesday, Tesla gap. Stop gapping, folks. You know, we are big fan of gappers in either direction. We gangster trade them. Yes, if you don't know what gangster trade is, that's a reason for you to get involved by subscribing to our channel. Yeah. So please, you will learn a great way, just like many people who are doing that right now. What to do? I'm just taking a note there. Sorry, on the piece of paper. So for us, we got involved yesterday. And the move wasn't really that convincing. Then today, big candle. So at the beginning, there was not much action. So can we replay the tip? Maybe we don't have time to replay the tip. But here's the 7, here's the 18, right? Quiet, 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 and then boom. There was actually a trader. Let's bring here in our Discord room. There's somebody. I need to ask them who first. This is the update. This is the hangout. So what time was it? 8:55 a.m. Eastern Pacific time. Yeah, Tesla. So what happened, folks? A print of 200,000 shares from Flow Algo at 463. This move implies it was a buy. Yeah, but I mean, you never know, right? But my friend, look at this. So the timestamp there was about 9 a.m., right? So on my chart on here, my chart is on Pacific time, my trading view. Look at this. Literally within minutes. Okay, what if I told you, for those who are not familiar with Flow Algo, that this is not the first time that this Tesla has done this. I would like for us to go back to when. Let's go to the daily chart. Maybe I should have done just a full video on this, Yeah, maybe I'm going to do that. But just summarily here, on the 21st of October, which is here, if I can find the 21st of October, they have done a similar move. There was a 542,000 share bought at 424. I leave it to you to see what ensued. Though it wasn't convincing, but the stock gap, yeah, the stock gap. That's not much impact. This is the 21st, so we close at 422. The next day, you're putting in 445 as a high, pretty much. Yeah, $20 move just because, yeah. And then after that, hey, it came back. So meaning those prints, well, at least that's one, because let me show you another one. November 16, where was it? Yeah, folks, November 16 was this one. Last Monday. The next day, huge gap. Huge. 408, we gap to 460. 52 points gap. Yeah, this is over 20 bagger here on a Tuesday. 20 bagger on a Tuesday. Just following Flow Algo print. Then today, we said that the print came in as I shared on here in Discord. 9 a.m. thereabouts, 200,000 shares, and what ensued was not a tsunami, Telex, but a bullish run-up. Yeah, just strong. Yeah. So do the correlation between this chart of Tesla versus maybe the rest of the market. Yeah, let's show you the rest of the market. Let's just pick a stock randomly, which we did well. So we did well on the Tesla trade. We traded, we originally had the 600 calls as a strangle from Tuesday, right? We said that, I believe we said that yesterday on this channel. And then we traded the 540. Can we show the 540? Yes, we can. Let's go ahead and do that. So while we look at our other next one here. So this is how we do that. We take a chart of an option here inside of Power E-Trade. So, oops, we have a long way to go. So we have to scroll. I apologize for that. So the 540, yeah, they closed. Huh. But the chart's going to tell us exactly how they traded. Okay, folks. So entry somewhere 8 was 8. This is Eastern time, so that's going to be 12, about 12 or so. So entry somewhere here at $1, and then this thing just went. It went as high as $3.37, but by then we have taken profit, I don't know, somewhere here. And we kept the 600. The 600, what do they do? We can go and see them as well. So this proves to you folks, you don't need to be in the money to make money, because this 600, even from yesterday, we're going to show you where the close yesterday. So the closing price yesterday is going to be the last candle, 15. What was that candle here? 15.45, 13 cents, whatever, all right? So this morning, they're losing value actually. Oh my goodness, folks. If you were in the business of buying the 13, look at where they went, folks. 2 cents. And look, 20 cents by 9 Pacific time, 12 Eastern. So that's a 10 bagger. And if you wait till all the way to the end, they went to $1. I don't know about you, but $1, 100 divided by 2, that's a 50 bagger. But I mean, there is no way of knowing that, hey, by buying these at 2 cents. I mean, as a lotto, you will have been rewarded because by the time we get the information, this is where it's trading. So meaning on this first candle, you could, when the news came about the print, you could have gotten it for 25 cents, which gave you 400% or so still. So not bad. So for us, we sold the hours here. We sold it here at maybe just shy of $1 because it was really getting iffy toward the end. And we set up a stronghold with tomorrow again to see. We have 2 days left. Maybe those guys, they're not done yet. Typically, they're like 30 points. So the print was at what? The print was at 463. So they like round numbers. So 500 could be in the books. So let's see if that happens. So that's a pretty good trade for us on Tesla following our Gangster from yesterday. So typically Gangster pay the same day, but hey, this one we have to wait 48 hours. All right. Number 2 stock that actually did well for us today is this one. We tweeted on it this morning and we even shared with some of our traders some trader idea, right? Inside of our Discord. We can show you that. We are not afraid to show you what we talk about in our Discord. So, hey, we said, hey, the breakouts, we go for December 2400 calls trying to get cheap ones, right? And we have an explanation on here on how we're going to manage that, right? So this is here weekly, on a week-to-week basis, hedge that with some puts in case. My friend, we didn't get an opportunity to do that. Instead, we Gangster trade this. So can we show our Gangster trade? And there were people on the YouTube who actually took the trade. I kid you not, I'm going to try to go to that video and show you that. So first, let's show you the Gangster trade. We have a Gangster channel. So this is called Chocolate Gangster. If you don't know anything about it, please, that's your reason to subscribe. But we actually got fields, my friend, for all 3 of these. Yes, we did. We did. So not bad. At 10 cents. Beautiful. And what turned out, this is what turned out. Below VWAP, we have a technique for us for really getting confirmation on the direction. This was beautiful. Never had to sweat. Well, you had to be patient because this what accelerated the profits toward the end of the day. So where did the 190 from 10 cents, where did they close? Let's go to BA option chart. You are used to this now. So we switched here to go to the put side. And we look at the 190. Again, the stock was trading at 225 in pre-market, right? For us, we were taking this 190. You can see that I have this position. That's what this means. So, and I'm still keeping some. Let's see what happened. Hey, it's down $3 in after hours. Not too bad, not too shabby. Fantastic. We love that. So, okay, this one, yeah. Patience, because throughout the day here, 22 cents, 24 cents. I'm not selling. Why will I be selling? We still have time left. And then toward the end here, $74 as the high. The closing was 67 cents or so. So let's see. As of now, assuming this holds, we have an opportunity here for a 10 bagger, right? Because let's say these 12 cents, a move of a $1 gives you 12 cents extra for the current, this 190. So that will put it 12 times 3. Yeah, we need to make a video how we estimate this. It's pretty accurate. So, that's 36 plus 67. That's $1 from, 10 cents. That's 900%. The definition of a 10 bagger, it's 900%, as you know. All right. So yeah, could we show then that people who took this trade actually gave us feedback on our? Yeah, we can do that. Can we do that? Yeah, you are doing a YouTube video, Telex. I'm going to a YouTube video. Yes, we can do that. Let's go to the live. I just want to see the comments. So this was our pre-markets for today. November 20th. Nope. November 18th. This is it. So this is going to be this video, right? I just want to go to the comments. Can we play it? I would love to play it if it doesn't mind. Jeez, this thing is taking its time. Can we play it, please? Why is YouTube doing this to us? Oh, how about now? Oh, jeez, just have to click on the link. I don't mind. I don't want to play the video.
Hey there, Kyle Dennis here with you. I've made over $4 million trading stocks this very year.
I don't want to play the video. Thank you, Mr. Kyle. I want to see a comment from a trader who took the trade. This is it. Mr. Dane. He got into the Baba 90. Thank you for the analysis. and then we explain how to manage this type of trade. Yeah. So this is the explanation here. So this is what we do here, folks. You come to our pre-market. So this is your opportunity once again to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Yeah. Because we will teach you how to do that. So we were sharing with Dane how we got about taking partial profit, and we share that potentially. So we take partial profit, depends really on the trader, 200%, 100%, because when we have time left in the trade, right? So could be worth $1 tomorrow. Let's see how that goes. So that was a very, very good trade for us today. All right. Let's go back then. So that was trade number 2 out of this stock market technical analysis daily here. So we talked about Tesla, which was decent. BA was better, but even better than that. Can we do better than, let's say, so 67 cents from 10 cents, that's almost close to 600%, 500 something, 50%, and we still have tomorrow, folks, and Friday, right? And the stock is gapping further down, coming closer to our strike price. That's excellent. We did better, my friend. We did better here. This one, it's right now, I kid you not. If you have not yet read on our successful trading blog, or saw some of the video that you have made on SPY with 10,000% or 10,000%, 1,000% win or more, calling 10 bagger, I want you to just go inside of this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. Just type in there 1,000%. You're going to see a bunch of video. Or better yet, go to a playlist on here called 10 baggers. You're going to see that, because today was the very embodiment of that. I was typing inside of my Discord just saying, oh my goodness. And we told you yesterday that Monday and Tuesday, SPY didn't move that much. So for us, we were really in the last, literally, folks, each candle here is 15 minutes, right? So this happened in the last hour of the trading day. This is what we have seen consistently. We have been able to take advantage of that on expiration days for SPY. As you know, SPY and the QQQ, IWM, GIA, and they are the main ETF that we trade. They trade 15-minute extra. But actually, if you traded the extra 15 minutes, meaning they close at the option market closes at 4:15 Eastern time, while the rest of the market, so yeah, because it went further down. It went further down. So for us, folks, I will have you, and this was me in the update. So what time was it when I shared with the traders here? Let's see. Here it is, 12:35, meaning 25 minutes to the close. Yeah. I'm asking November 18, 357 put for 4 to 5 cents. At the same time, folks, I'm still trading the 350 put for November 20th for Friday. But days, we're gonna entry at 6 cents, I believe. Yeah, because between the time where I have to share the idea, I think this thing was moving. This thing was moving. So I'm updating the traders up to 100. So how many minutes? 2 minutes, it's up to 100%. That's SPY for you. And then they play games, right? They play games, because at the time, these are the 357 puts. So we got them for 6 cents, 37 cents when we took the screenshot. Yeah. Then at 700%, I had to sell mine, because when the money is not your broker, they can do something. I like when I'm off the money and making money off of it. Since they got in the money here quickly, I have to settle for 700% on the after taking partial profit. But the 350 they puts for Friday, they went all the way. But overall, how far did the trade go? Let's go to the chart of that option and share with you. Actually, yeah, the chart should still be available. Otherwise, I recorded it. I took snapshot all the way to the end. So, oh my goodness, look at this. So yeah, the 357 were in the money. So, but depending on your broker, sometimes I didn't want to take chance, because they could have just said whatever when you're in the money. So, so the 357, yep, here we go. They're still available here. I can chart them. Bang. Let's remove the after hours here. So I'll go to display, extended hour, remove. Yeah, so look, 4 cents. They were going at 2:45 Eastern. For us, we started this 25 minutes before the close. So actually our 6 cents, yeah, because each candle here is 15 minutes. So our entry, if we go 10 minutes here and zoom in, yeah. So when I hover here, I see the price here. That's what's going on, yeah. So 6 cents rapidly, and then it closed all the way. You could have gotten 81 cents off of this. So from, yeah, 6 cents to 81, that's oh boy, that's how many more baggers in the 20, how many 13 bagger, 1,300%. And each week, if you specialize in just this strategy on SPY, it's gonna test your patience, my friend. I'm not saying that it's easy trick, but I haven't seen it or haven't many times. So I want you to do something right now. So today is November 18, right? Go look at the video that we published on 1000% win on SPY on October the 19th, and I'm gonna show it to you here in our Discord as well. October the 19th and October the 26th. They were back-to-back Mondays. Yeah, because now I'm gonna make it a category inside of the YouTube channel or something. This is it here. Remember this? Yeah, this trade here taken at 2 Eastern from 2 cents to 24 cents on SPY. What day was that? Yeah, I posted it the next day, so it happened on the 19th. Yeah, how do we know the 19th? Here it is, October 19th. Yeah. So this is not a fluke, folks. This is a validation of a methodology on SPY, that's a technique on SPY, on what we have been sharing here all along with you, and we repeat that each and every day on our pre-markets, stock markets, technical analysis daily show. So wow, that was quite a day, right? So a nice trifecta with Tesla, BA, and SPY to close the day. So fantastic. What's in store for us tomorrow? In store for us tomorrow on here, NVIDIA had earnings. What are they doing? I'm hoping they're gapping. We don't care either direction. We have a technical against a trade. So yeah, NVIDIA is not much, so that's fine. I mean, if they don't want to gap it or anything, we have 2 days for it to move. What are the options? The implied volatility is going to come down significantly. So the 527, well, in any case, we don't need to give you the trade right now, right? Tomorrow in pre-market, join us tomorrow in our pre-markets. We will be able to get the detail and get an accurate price of Works trading. The other stock that I want to leave with you, and again, we will check it out tomorrow in pre-market, Facebook. Yes, that's all I'm going to say right now because we are out of time, folks. We need to post this video for the good people. We promised them that at 8 Eastern, the video will be dropping with our stock market technical analysis daily. We appreciate you, folks. Thank you for watching. Leave us comments how you would like us to improve the content of this channel to your liking. We bid you adieu. Bye-bye.